sitting silently doing nothing. The grass grows by itself. What is this grass? Do you have any grass inside you? What they mean, grass, is nothing but your consciousness. Sitting silently, doing nothing, the consciousness grows by itself. Take the word grass away. It's a poetically they say so. The whole issues, the whole problems of the world is nothing but stagnation of the growth of the grass. The grass is not growing. That is the only problem. There are not many problems. Hence, we have got an emergency meeting today. Very emergency. Manas and his wife and team, Daniel, etc., called you urgently, come on. We need an emergency meeting today. We can't delay it. Because issues and issues are coming every day. Problems and problems are arising every day. Individual problem, family problem, social problem, economical problem, political problem in America. How to sort out this? You can sort out. Doesn't matter how big the issue is, how big the problem is. The problem may be financial problem, the problem may be health issue, the problem may be relationship issue, the problem may be anything. There is only one way. The way is sitting silently, doing nothing, the grass grows by itself. Please.
So, Atmaji, you said the power of the satsanga.
Yeah.
And I feel the energy when we're together.
Mm.
Because I've heard your talk, couple of talks on YouTube.
Mm.
But somehow when we are face to face, there's the grass I feel grows better. So I'm curious about why is the power of meeting face to face? What is that?
Difference. It is like the difference between a real flower and the plastic flower.
Reading the book and reading your own.
You see? You may see me on the YouTube. There are some hundreds of YouTubes are there. I've talked about several things about. Still many things are sleeping. You know, for lack of manpower, they are not uploaded. There are thousands of talks. They are doing it this year. That's not the same when you meet me. Because this is a real flower, that's a plastic flower. That gives certain joy when you listen to YouTube. That's not the same. Because when you sit in front of me, my life force is directly connecting to your life force. When I look at you, I am not looking at your physical. I am penetrating you. Not only you, every one of you here. It's like an electricity transmission. Hence you feel. Also my words. My words are not simply words. I am not here just to give a lecture. I don't believe in lecturing. That's why I am not appearing on the general crowd. They can't understand my language. If I say sitting silently doing nothing, the grass grows by it, they will throw stones on me. I have to talk very attractively to have a clapping. I am not good at that. I am very straight, to the point. Hence you get a first-hand experience. First-hand experience. When you sit near to me, even the discussion is not needed for me. Even these questions are not needed for me. I can simply sit here. If you are able to sit like this with me, I can sit hours together with you without speaking. Are you ready? Yes. You are ready. Exactly happened yesterday in Seattle. We were talking a little bit, few subjects here and there. Afterwards, the hall was, it was a Unity Church actually. They organized a meeting, the Unity Church. Normally there are many Unity churches in America. After 30-40 minutes, of a little discussion like this, people, they naturally enter into silence naturally. I have not asked them to go into silence, but they were in silence. Then I stopped talking. I didn't want to disturb them. They were sitting silently more than 45 minutes in a satsang. Continuously. The time was going on. I am supposed to finish my meeting because everything is time-based. That is what it is. Sitting silently, doing nothing. The grass grows by itself. Consciousness grows by itself. When the consciousness grows by itself, your issues coming down.